My name is Niven Simiu, a law student at Riara University. I made my decision to join Riara University after visiting various institutions that were offering law. And I realized that Riara University is the only institution that offered law with a difference. After visiting the institution, I met a wonderful faculty that gave me a campus tour. I observed that Riara University has an ultra-modern library facility, it has a well-equipped ICT center, and it has an ultra-modern, authentic moot court that will enable me as a law student to pursue my studies. I learned about Riara University through the media, to be specific, the daily newspaper. Riara University had advertised for a Dean Scholarship, which I decided to apply and I successfully got. Being a student at Riara University has enabled me to gain great experience and great opportunities. For example, every Thursday we have a program called Law Review Action where we get to meet judges and lawyers. Riara University has enabled me to interact with Justice Albie Sachs from South Africa, Justice Lee Mudoka from the International Tribunal Court of Rwanda, Justice Majanja from the High Court of Kenya, and Dr. Aura Okot. In that respect, I will reap an excellent educational opportunity and occupational boost in my choice of Riara University.